Und wie schaut denn aus? Sind wir da schon rummert? Ist aber schnell gegangen. So, da gibt's jetzt. Oh Gott, ein Bossfight.
They're gonna call in the big guns.
Not if they don't see us.
Da
Stay
gibt der
low.
Raketenwerfer, das hört man nicht gut. Und wer kommt denn? Ich hab den T600.
So much for not being spotted, huh?
Take him out, quickly!
To the stairs, let's go!
Grab that rocket launcher!
Let's go, we happy.
Hit it with the rocket! Now! Hey John, did you hear that?
Und Hunter.
Get your rockets ready, John! It's coming
Versucht ein
back!
Schuss gut. Wie lädt das jetzt?
On the left, machines.
Where'd it go?
Oh no, where is it?
Upstairs, let's go! Upstairs, let's go!
Er wird springen mit Waffe. Und Hunter, wo ist er denn? Verstehe. Sie warten da und ich darf die Kacke machen. Wir meisten es halt.
There's the HK!
Aber der hat geschissen. Und Hunter, wo die Socke?
Get your rockets ready,
Nicht
John!
beleidigt.
It's coming back!
Jawohl. Das hat er mal so geplättet, oder?
Alright, listen. There's too many machines on the streets. We'll never make it that way. But I do have an idea.
Let's hear it.
Union Station is nearby. We use it to go underground into the subway system. Follow the tracks all the way to Eagle Rock.
You think it'll be any safer down there?
Guess anything's better than staying topside. Besides, this is LA. No one ever uses the subway.
Pass auf, da geht munter auf den Turm gehen. Jetzt haben wir schon wieder Runden. Bei Schnaupausen kennt er gar
I was
nicht.
just
Der John
thinking
Connor.
about how nice it'd be to take a real shower with real water pressure. Not like those showers back at the base. You know, where the water just drips out. A real shower.
You mind if I tape her mouth shut?
Ladies, we're a team. We need to work together.
Ladies, jetzt wird geduscht. Denn wir ballern lieber.
Spider! We gotta flank these guys!
Ja, pass auf, wenn die beiden anstehen. Da drüben soll ich Tor.
Thanks. You too.
We should hurry. Skynet knows we're here now.
Also im Grunde braucht gerade noch einen Raketenwerfer, gell? Mit jede Menge Munition. Da hat schon gewonnen.
Aerostats!
Die Wespen, jetzt her doch. Da kommen wir hier schon durch.
Eyes up, people! We got aerostats!
We gotta flank these things, people!
Was, Meter flankieren? Gibt nichts mehr zum Flankieren. Halt die Damen, nicht quatschen. Viere du. Wenn da runter der Feind an. Seht ihr, so ein Schuss von Treffer. Der Schuss eines Meisters.
Watch out! Right side!
Und, lernen Angie. Hat die stolz auf mich. Warte mal. Der mit noch was.
Wait, I need to reload.
Let's come around behind them. Watch out, Connor.
Und, Einschlung.
Take cover!
Mit dir doch. Er bringt ja gerade den Nachschub.
They're way too small.
Team, on the left.
Aber Freunde, mir geht die Munition aus. Angie oder Blair, nicht Nickers. Ja gut, passt doch. Ja, ich brauche halt dringend Munition, gell? Ich hab nichts mehr. 13 Kugeln noch. Und wo möchtest du hin? Affe. Oh Scheiße, ein Geschütz.
Wasp, take cover.
We're so screwed.
Geh weg da. Motor ist verloren.
Skynet reinforcements, get ready.
Hey, we leaving yet?
Let's get the hell out of here.
Wo sagt ihr jetzt? Ja, ja, praktisch. Da drüben, der Ballermann da. Der 13 Schuss. Da drüben, da abwechseln mal die 5. Wenn du nicht da ist. Der fickt, der Depp.
Need to reload.
Ja, die Rohrbombe. Und gelangt jetzt. Muss ich mal, oder? Die Dame schaut aus, habt ihr Kugeln? So, wir flitten jetzt. Voller Eifer, der Vieri. Der nächsten Schlacht.
Follow me!
Follow me. Die sagt alle 100 Meter.
David, it's Connor. Just letting you know we're heading underground, so we'll be out of touch for a bit.
How long until you get here?
It's hard to say, David. We're still a ways out.
I don't know know how much longer we can keep this. Hurry.
Harry.
This place used
Jeder
to be
hitzt hier
so
rum, gell?
beautiful. The
Kann
Spanish
ich runterwarten?
architecture, the marble floors.
Pass auf, Kapitel 5, der
Such a
Untergrund.
mess. I'm so sorry.
We're right here with you, Angie. It's gonna be okay.
Ich glaube, besonders für Kapitel und nicht geben, oder? Pass auf, da gibt Munition. Da ein Geschütz. Da jede Menge Granaten, oh Gott. Alter Bumm, die Lage stinkt schon wieder.
Stop! Stop! Wait a second. Look at this.
Looks like the entire platform is rigged.
This doesn't look like resistance work.
Maybe it's just old.
Hardly any dust. It's recent.
Expertly done, too. Wonder who built it.
Better question is why they built it.
Pass auf, die Herrschaften haben den Bahnhof vermint. Sehr gut. Geh wieder rein? Nein. Pass auf. Nimm die doch. Wo sind jetzt sie? Darf ich da was? Die Dame ist doch schon rum. Eigentlich besser wie
Heard
uns, oder?
stories, you know, about people who went crazy after Judgment Day. They're crawling around in places like this, eating each other to stay alive.
You mean cannibals? And did they hunt with mutant dogs, too?
Don't laugh. I heard they've taken over Fullerton. That's why Command never sends anyone near there.
Those are just stories, Angie. There's no such thing as monsters.
So, pass auf, da haben wir jetzt. Xiao, die Fiona. Und Xiao? Mann oder Frau? Oder beides?
Cut yourself. I said cut yourself.
Now what?
We've heard rumors of machines with rubber skin. Supposed to look like people. Guess you ain't one of them. But that still doesn't explain what you're doing down here.
My name is John Connor. This is Blair and Angie. We're on a mission to rescue resistance fighters trapped behind enemy lines at the Eagle Rock Skynet facility.
The three of you are gonna infiltrate Eagle Rock, when the whole resistance just got their asses handed to them. That's a likely story. Tell me what you're really up to.
What I told you is true. Command refused to send help, so we're going it alone. We know the risks.
We'll give you food and water, plus whatever other supplies we can muster. But I'm warning you, we lived in these tunnels for years without Skynet bothering us. If you brought them to our doorstep, I'll kill you with my own two hands.
Understood. Thank you.
Barnes is our quartermaster. He's a big guy, bald with a beard. Sings to himself a lot. Can't miss him. He'll get you what you need. Anyone gives you trouble, just holler. Name's Warren. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got work to do.
Looks like it's time to go.
Der Trouble. Also sonst wieder gleich. Eine Ärger verursachen hier. Der kommt meistens von der Lot.
Did you see the way Warren treated them? I was just plain wrong.
So, I don't trust them.
Was ob du
They
jetzt?
could be up to something.
Da haben sie ein Brot da drin, schön. Aber, kannst du da irgendwas machen? Außer rumeiern? Ja, nicht, oder? Die campen da unten, schön, am Bahnhof.
Those resistance chicks ain't bad.
Ain't
Alter,
bad.
wie schaut der aus? Klotze an
They're
Bord.
better than anything we got down here.
Klotze im Boot? Nein. Oviedo.
Hey, are you Barnes?
The one and only.
Right. Well, I'm John Connor. Warren said you'd help us out. I need rations. 3 people for 3 days. Plus whatever medical supplies you can spare.
What, y'all planning a camping trip?
Something like that.
Yeah, well, you need to watch your backs. Some mean old bears out there in the woods. If you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, we've seen our share of them.
Well, come this way then.
Einen Bounce habe ich gefunden. Meine Ration habe ich gekriegt. Was ist denn sonst noch? Was war der Plan? Weiß keine Sau, gell? Wo sind meine Damen? Und eine Ratssitzung? Soll ich mitmischen?
Machines! The machines followed you here. You've endangered all of our lives. I
Okay,
gotta kill
Warren.
you, but I'll let
Hey, Chip, there's me, Joe.
Skynet do it for me. Barnes, take this waste of space and make sure our security system is working. Buy us enough time to get everyone out of here.
I'm 2 steps ahead of you, man.
I'm coming with you.
Come on, follow me.
Die Maschinen abwehren. Ja gut, heftig. Wenn ich das schon kann, wer sonst, oder?
Man, you really managed to piss
Ja,
Warren
bei
off.
uns warten nicht
He's right,
mit.
though. The machines
Wir
must have
müssen ein bisschen
followed us here.
verteidigen.
It's our fault. He said no one's bothered you guys for years.
Don't listen to him. Man, it happens every couple of months. Skynet finds us. We pack up and we run. He just likes to have a scapegoat.
Pass auf, da sollte man gleich mal einen Raketenwerfer gönnen.
Okay, here's how we gonna do this. You keep the robots off of me while I set the charges. On my signal, we run like hell. You got it?
Did you just call them robots?
They're robots, right? What else should I call them?
Fine, no problem.
So, pass auf. Er kümmert sich über die Ladungen und wir ballern auf Füße, wo noch Skynet ausschaut.
There's aerostats over there.
Das ist der Plan.
Hold on.
What's that?
One of the charges must have come loose.
Skip it. You have enough C4 to blow the platform.
Yeah, but they're wired in series, not parallel. One goes, they all go down.
Can you fix it?
Yeah, but it might take a minute. This one looks fine.
Pass auf, können wir sehen hier. Bei den großen Ballermann nicht mehr.
Ain't this one.
Der fix. So, der ist cool. Hier da hinten. Wird auch nicht verpasst.
Oh yeah, just like that.
Ja, Ammo, jawohl. Detektor schon kann er gehen. Und der Wunderknabe, ja gut. Und Skynet, was ist das?
This one's working.
Oh, warte mal. Der Rüber kriegst du hier. Der T600, der Lümmel. Aber der ist gut.
It ain't this one either.
Das ist mein Baum, wie schaut denn aus?
Ah, here it is.
Wenn du drauf im unten. Jawohl. Jawohl, Checkpoint. Was hat noch? Nix mehr. Ein Granatenwerfer, Respekt.
Damn. Almost got it.
Alter, fehlt den Tunnel gespielt. Hinter liegt ja.
We good.
Und Bond, bist du fertig? Mit deiner Bastlerei.
Wait, hold up. Y'all ain't got nothing to say? Huh? No one's complimenting me on my handiwork? Come on.
You designed that trap?
One of my specialties.
Barnes, you did a great job. You'd be an asset to the Resistance.
Yeah? We should talk about that later. Right now, though, we gotta hustle.
John, Blair.
All right, that's the last of them. We're good to go. You three, ride with me.